Buckle up, folks, for a whirlwind tour of Natal, a sparkling gem in Brazil's crown, nestled in the state of Rio Grande do Norte. A city teeming with over 800,000 souls, each with a tale to tell. First up, let's dive into culture. Natal is the birthplace of forró, a music genre that will make your feet tap and heart sing. Secondly, the city's Christmas festivities are legendary, earning it the nickname City of the Sun. Lastly, the Fort of the Three Wise Men, a star-shaped marvel, stands as a testament to Natal's rich history. Now, brace yourself for the bizarre. Did you know Natal is home to the world's largest cashew tree, sprawling over 2 acres? Secondly, it's a city where dune buggies rule the roads, a sight you won't see anywhere else. Lastly, Natal's Pirangi do Norte beach hides a secret, a sinkhole filled with colorful fish. So, there you have it. 6 fascinating facts about Natal. If you enjoyed this ride, follow me on Instagram at Mr.Gurgel for more exciting journeys.